Sudan. Sudan is a wonderful place, unique and fun, where the sun can shine and glimmer. Deep in the heart of Sudan lies the magnificent, marvelous River Nile, in the biggest country in Africa. And everyone knows everyone that we know Sudan and the beauty of our culture. Nothing can break our hope, our friendship, and our love. Weather. Windy, wishing wind. Every day we have some rain. After the rain goes away, we can go out and play. Trying to get home in this cold, windy weather is treacherous. Heavy rain again and again, every day. Everyone has to stay at home today. Rainy wind, always. Happy holidays. Happy holidays on the Isle of Wight with my mighty sword on the mighty Wight. We have fabulous fun and food with the whole group. Lovely land and lovely weather. I want to stay here forever. Incredible sights and the beautiful sunlight. Deep sleep and delicious dinner. Dark nights are so much bigger. Amazing waves, wind so big. I went surfing there and kayaking. Yes, it's the last night. I don't want to go. Sight sees